In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a category to your inventory system in the iConnect back office. Once you're logged into the iConnect back office using your iConnect account, you'll want to scroll down to Catalog, click Catalog, and then click Products and Services under Catalog, and then click Category within that submenu. So this page allows you to view, manage, add, edit, etc., all of the categories you have in your inventory system in iConnect. As you can see in our retail store here, we have quite a few categories ranging from shirts to phones to Levi's, etc. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add a new category. To do this, all we have to do is click the plus button up here in the top right-hand corner and add a bit of information about this new category. So the first option you have is to make this a nested category by giving it a parent category. So say maybe you sell clothes along with other items, you might create a master or parent category clothes, and then under clothes you might have t-shirts, pants, shoes, etc. In our case, we're not going to do this. We're just going to leave the parent category alone as none, and we're going to create a new top level category. Let's go ahead and call this just custom category, something simple. Category code is a unique code that you can give to your categories that makes it easy to look them up. It helps with reporting and things like that. It's just a short code you might want to give your categories. So for this one, we're going to give it CC-01. It can be alphanumeric. Display order determines where this category will be displayed in the smart shelves on the register screen. So the smart shelves are the icons on the register screen that you can tap or click to easily enter a category and then choose a product from that category. And the display order, it goes in ascending order essentially. So your lowest number on display order will be the first shown category. So you can go positive and negative on this. So if we chose -10 and there's nothing before -10, so there's no -11, -12, -10 will be the very first category to show. By default, all categories are given a display order of 0, and if you leave this alone, basically all your categories will be alphabetized. So everything is in the same display order. As you can see here, to the right, several of my categories are in display order 0, meaning they'll just be shown by alphabetical order. So for this one, let's just leave it at 0, so it'll fall under the C's and in alphabetical order. So if you had several categories, just for an example, with display order 0 and several with display order 1, the display order 0s would show first in alphabetical order, then it would start over with display order 1 also in alphabetical order. So there's a lot of power to the way you can organize those categories on the smart shelves in order to make it very easy for your employees to find the category they need to find and then the products and services they need to find. Image is very simple. You just click select image and an image will be added to your category. The images are squares, so you might want to keep that in mind. You want something with equal width and height. But that allows you to add an image to the category that will display on the smart shelves. And lastly, we've got locations to add. So my account is a test account that has a multi-location it is a multi-location account, meaning that I have multiple locations under this account. I have a salon, spa, coffee shop, a shoe store, etc. By default, the system will add the category to the location you are currently logged into. So here I am logged into retail store. But say I want to also add this category to our coffee shop. I would simply click coffee shop. And the system's doing a few things there, and it now will be added when I click save to both coffee shop and retail store. So you can add inventory under this category now to those two locations. You could select all, obviously, that would add it to everything, but if you want to be specific about which locations can sell things out of this category, add items to this category, you'll want to make sure you only click the locations that you want this category to appear in. Once you're finished, simply click save and the category will be added to your account.